Boom! Are you ready to learn how to dance salsa? We have a simple pattern for beginners. So get your dance shoes ready and let's go. But before you go, subscribe here. Click the subscribe button to get more free salsa tips and tutorials. See you soon. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. This is another simple pattern for beginners. Let's jump right into it. Okay, starting off, basic step, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. I'm asking for the hand on 5. Watch the hand. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. I ask for the hand. 6, 7. I make sure that she sees the palm just for a second and then quickly turn her around. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here, I give her a right travel turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now, here's the thing. Following her right travel turn, I'm going to do something really quickly. I am going to go over me into the closed position. So I went. This is how you do the loop over your head. You're going to pretend for the men like you're holding a pizza tray. And then you're going to turn slightly your body to the left. And then you're going to create a window in which you're going to see the woman through. Like this. Where I'm seeing you through here, this window. You're going to put it, you're going to do the same. You're going to see her through the window. You're going to put that over your head. You're going to touch your right hand to your left shoulder. Like that. You're going to let go of the right hand, catch her back, and then go into an inside turn. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And to finish it off, I do a right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so let's do it again. It goes right travel turn, inside turn, right turn. Basic step. 1, 2, 3, catch the hand. 5, 6, 7. Right travel turn. 5, 6, 7. Immediately over me. Boom. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And to finish it off, a right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's do that without stopping. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Catch 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One last time. 3, 5. Catch a hand. Turn her right travel turn for the women. Over me. Inside turn. 5, 6, 7. Right turn. And 5, 6, 7. Okay, guys, that was it. Practice it. Let's do it now with music. Well done for making it all the way to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the pattern. Practice it. Take it out from this video. Go put it out on the dance floor. Dance with people. And when they ask you, hey, where are you learning all these cool moves? Send them over this way. Subscribe here for more free salsa content. See you guys soon.